Introducing Camco's premium RV Marine Shower Head. This new shower head is designed to help you save water while showering. The head measures 4 inches in diameter and has 8 different settings, from a drenching rain to a gentle massage. The handy on-off switch pauses water flow, conserving your hot water. It features a swivel head and pivoting wall mount, so you can direct the flow of water anywhere. The Shower Flex hose has built-in connectors for easy installation to a standard half-inch shower arm. And it's made of reinforced construction to eliminate hose kinking. The complete kit includes a 60-inch shower hose, shower head, washers, wall mount, and hardware. Camco's premium RV Marine Shower Head. If you don't have one, get one today.
Camco.net.